Trying to get the car unburied today. That might not happen. See, the neighbor's car is gone. This neighbor's car is gone. Looks like they've kind of tried to uncover their other vehicles. I don't know if you can see here, we have shoveled paths. I shoveled early this morning for the kids through the snow. But now they're covered with a good bit of snow already. Kids were out on the trampoline earlier. The snow was completely covering the little hole to get in there. They had to unbury it just to get on there. Got over 2 feet here now. About 19 inches of it is just fresh snow. The rest is snow that we already had before the storm hit.